Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a oil change on the Jaguar XF, so stay tuned and thanks for watching. So these are the things I used. I used the kneeling pad, my axle stands in there, oil tray, and we've got the oil filter there. It's a genuine oil filter because it's my grandparents' car and I wanted to use a genuine oil filter for it, you know, keep it all up to what Jaguar would want. This is me like getting into the car, point of view camera. I thought it was quite interesting. Well, gradually getting in the car, if I'm honest with you. There we go. So all I'm doing here is starting it up. I'm going to put it in reverse so I've got some more clearance and more room at the front to get the jacks under and then the axle stands, then take off all the under trays and things. There's my Sandy. She decided to see what I was up to. Decided to get in the way of the door. So I had to give her a quick stroke and then she went on her merry way, as you can see. Adorable. Still standing there. That is commitment, that is. As you see, popping it in reverse. Just checking that there's enough room. Well, I've reversed it enough without hitting the back of the garage door, which I have, which is always a win, if I'm honest with you. This is me popping the bonnet because the bonnet release is on the passenger side, which always weirds me out. I don't know why, but it just weirds me out. Then we got topping up the screen wash. We got checking the coolant because I've had to top up coolant once or twice over the years, so it's just good things, good practice to just check it. But it was just under the fill line, so that was all fine and dandy. Didn't need to top it up, it was all fine. Took off the cap and popped the dipstick out just so there's air going to it. This is me jacking the car up. I use this rickety old jack because I forgot to bring my own ones. It was not great. It kept going down ever so slightly and you heard creaking noises. Finally got the first under tray off. There was 2 under trays to get off of this. There's one at the front and then a long one at the back. Me draining the oil. It was dark and janky, so it needed doing. There's my little axle stand with the cover there. Finally, after like 5 minutes of doing it, it decided to end it. That's the old sump plug there. All the oil out of it. Remember to torque up the bolts to the specification of the drain plug. I did fill up with the correct oil and oil grade, but I didn't get that on video. As you can see, it's all started up all nice and lovely. So it's all fine and dandy. That's the old oil and the old oil filter. It's a metal canister at the back there. I did pop that front under tray on. That's all my stuff all used, and now I've just got to tidy it up. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video.